大家好，我是吉米老师。上个星期三，我们听了 workbook audio at 75% speed. In this video, I'll show you how I created that recording. I used a free program. It's called Audacity. You can get it off the internet for free. There's a link for it in the description for this video. All right, so File, Open, and let's see, we were doing lesson 17, part 1B. So open that. Now this is a stereo file, but as you can see from the two different waveforms here, they look pretty much identical. So we can convert it to a mono recording, and for the method I'm going to use, that does work a little bit better if it's mono. So let's see, to do that you click here, Tracks, Mix Stereo down to mono. There. Let's draw it down so we can see more of it, and now I'll play it.
Workbook, Lesson 17, Part 1. 1. Listening Comprehension. B. Workbook Narrative.
Okay, so that's natural speed English speech. The Chinese starts after that. So what I'm going to do is I'll click and drag just to select it, just the way you would say in Microsoft Word or some text application, click and drag. Now I've selected this portion of the video, and to slow down the tempo, speed, we'll click Effect here, Effect. Now do not pick Change Speed. If you change the speed to say something slower, it's going to change the pitch also, and then it's going to sound a bit strange. What's better is to pick Change Tempo. This will slow down the recording, but not change the pitch. So the speaker will sound like before, but just speaking more slowly. Now, we listened to 75% speed before, so for something different, I'm going to change to 80% speed. 80% change of tempo is more accurate, so the change is -20%. Now, this is very important. I really think it's best if you click here, use high quality stretching. I found that if you don't, there'll be some extraneous noise and it's higher quality, and so we'll now apply here. And there. And now let's listen to that.
王鹏，我觉得搬出宿舍也不一定方便。你得买菜做饭，很麻烦。再说，你的朋友都住在学校里，你一个人在外边住，连一个朋友都没有，太没意思了。要是你觉得你现在的宿舍吵，你明年换一个宿舍住。
Okay, so I think you get the idea there. Now it's a little slower speech, and you can pick your own tempo, whichever you're comfortable with. Or you could just select one portion that you're having trouble and slow that down a little bit if you need to. Now, you don't necessarily have to save here, but if you wanted to, you could click up here, File. Don't click Save Project. That's a whole project that you're working on, and it actually is not saving the audio file. If you wanted to save the audio, you do it as an export. I would recommend export as MP3. And if you want a really highest quality, then insane quality, 320 kilobytes per second. It's still going to be a pretty small file, and but it'll play at the best quality. And make sure you click that MP3 file in insane quality. Okay, and then I'll now save it. Oops, good. I want to say 80% speed. Okay. And it's done. Let's just listen to it, make sure I got a good recording there.
Workbook, Lesson 17,
That's
Part 1.
natural
1.
speed, because we didn't
Listening
change that.
comprehension. B. Workbook narrative.
王鹏，我觉得搬出宿舍也不一定方便。
Okay, so there we go. I showed how to change a selection in the audio, change the tempo, and then if one needed to, one could save that. And so that's what I wanted to tell you about. So thanks for listening. 再见.